Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech again. In this video, we're going to learn how we can make a file available offline in the Dropbox app on your iPhone. So in order to do that, open the app. And once the Dropbox app is open, at the very bottom, you will see several icons and you will be able to see a files icon. Go ahead and tap on the files icon. And once you tap on the files icon, you will be able to see all your files here. And go ahead and tap on the three dots below the file you would like to make offline. And once you tap on those three dots, you will see a screen like this. And here you will be able to see an option which says Make Available Offline. Tap on Make Available Offline. And once you tap on Make Available Offline, you will be able to see a small arrow pointing downwards. So that means that that particular file is available offline right now. All right, so that's how you make a file available offline in the Dropbox app on your iPhone. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day. And don't forget to visit our website northwelltech.com for great tech articles.